Hey guys, how you doing? Thanks for watching. My name's Todd. I'm the Flippin' Hustler. I buy things at garage sales, estate sales, anywhere I can find a good deal, and I flip them on eBay. Today, this little 6-minute show is going to be me cleaning some shoes and jamming out to some punk rock music. What a goofball. Having some fun. I figured I'd just show you guys 7 minutes or 6.5 minutes of my life and what I do. Also wanted to talk to you and encourage you to take action on whatever it is you've been thinking about. I know all of us have thoughts rattling around in our brains. I want you to put them down on paper and then take that first step. Whether it's starting a YouTube channel, whether it's starting an eBay store, whatever it is that you want to do. Right now, we all have the time to sit down and plan, right? So I encourage you to do that. So what I'm doing here is I'm just cleaning up the rubber parts of the bottom of the shoe. I'm using a magic eraser and a little bit of cleaner and just gently wiping everything down. These are in really good shape. They say they're unisex. I just can't see a guy wearing these, but I put them up there under women's, but I also did put them under unisex. I'm going to change the channel here, it looks like, because I want to hear a different song. I'm going to go back a few songs. And yeah, this was unexpected right here, folks. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I hit the ground. Yeah, and then, just like a Laurel and Hardy movie, everything just kind of started happening. And next thing you know, there you go. So, yeah. But that's okay. Like I said, man, you just have to keep on going. It's funny. And my elbow hurt. My backside hurt. But, whatever. Alright. So, once again, guys, my name's Todd. I just wanted to make this little video to show you what it is that I do and encourage you to do something today, tomorrow. But there is no tomorrow. Today, right now, is now. That's just how I feel. So I am currently in the basement doing this voiceover. I've got a ton of work ahead of me, and I'm excited about it. You know? Cleaning shoes. Here we are, cleaning shoes. Alright, well, we're at 2 minutes and 46 seconds. I appreciate your guys' time. If you're new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and like, subscribe, if you like it. And if you want to subscribe, do that. If you don't, that's cool. That's cool. You know, everybody's not for everybody, and I totally get it, man. I totally get it. Oh, another thing. Be sure to hit that notification bell. Not just on my channel, but on everybody's channel. There's so many people that, you know, I've watched, and I go back and I look, and my notification bell is not on, and I can't imagine how it got turned off or that I didn't hit it in the first place. So go back, check that out. Like I was saying before, these Converse, they are a slip-on slider Converse sandal. They're navy blue with the red stripe, white, and then brown on the bottom. They are a UK size 5, American ladies size 7, and a European size 38, I think. I can't remember. I put the listing up yesterday. They're up there right now. So once I get done with this video, I'll go ahead and put that description, or not, I'll put the link to these shoes in the description if there's any ladies out there that are looking for some Converse slip-ons. They're really cool. You know, they'd be great house shoes. I work in the basement, and I've got a concrete floor, so I'm always wearing shoes. These would be great for someone who works in the basement or something like that. So, reason I'm wearing a beanie here, guys, is I had made a video earlier yesterday, and I was all good to go. But then every time I go to the post office, when I come home, I take another shower. I put a mask on, I put gloves on, put glasses on, go in for 30 seconds, run out, sanitize, come home, throw my clothes in the washing machine, jump in the shower, and then I'm good for the rest of the day. So at this point, I've already been to the post office, I've been back, and that's where I'm at. Don't fall again, Todd. See that green bottle right there, guys? That is the bottle that I stepped on by accident, and it slipped out from underneath me. Jamming out some Pennywise. If there's anyone in the chat that likes Pennywise, go ahead and comment on that. Or you know what? Just comment in general. Just comment in general. Hope you guys are having a great day now and in the future, whoever's watching this. Today is what? April something? 7th, I think. Thursday, 2020. Everyone's in quarantine, lockdown. So just a little reminder for the future of where I was this day. Where we all were this day. We are all inside. But, you know, as a reseller, we spend a lot of our time inside anyways, right? So it's not a big deal to me. But I know my wife, she's kind of like, oh, this is crazy. I'm like, it's okay, baby. My daughter, she's doing just fine with it. The neighbors, everybody's good. So, guys, I appreciate you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Hit that like, subscribe, comment, do all those fun things. Go support each other. Be kind to each other. Help somebody if you can today, because we always have an opportunity. Even if you don't leave your house, call somebody. Call somebody and see how they're doing. You know? They'll appreciate it. I'm sure of it. All right, guys. Here we go. It's about the end. Going to show you what they look like. Oh, wow. Look at that. See, there's just a ton of tread. These might have been worn 10 times or something. They're in really nice shape. There are a little bit of toe marks, but not a lot. They're very nice. So, see you guys. Have a good day. Peace.